So here we have two equations. One is 3x minus of y is equal to 23. The other one is x by 3 plus y by 4 equals to 4. See, we will write this 3x minus of y is equal to 23 as equation 1, and the other one you see x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 4. Just we will change its form into ax plus by equals to c form. We will bring this to ax plus by equals to c form. And how will we do that? We will just take LCM. You know that how will we take LCM, right? This 4 is multiplied to this x, 3 is multiplied to this y, and 3 and 4 they are multiplied with each other. You see how 4 when multiplied to x it becomes 4x. Thereafter there is a positive sign, I put the positive sign. 3 when multiplied to y becomes 3y, then whole by 3 multiplied to 4 becomes 12, equal to what we have? 4. So 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y by 12 equals to 4. Now you see this 12 is divided over here, coming on this side it will get multiplied, with this 4. So 4x plus 3y equals to 4 into 12 divided, coming on this side gets multiplied, and how much we get? We get this as 48. Now this equation 4x plus 3y equal to 48 becomes our equation 2. See, equation 1 we have 3x minus y is equal to 23 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 48. As you know that we need to equate coefficients. Let's say we want to equate the coefficients of x, right? So in that case what we will do? 4 we will multiply with this equation 1 and 3 we will multiply with this equation 2. You see the same thing I have written over here, multiplying 4 with equation 1 and 3 with equation 2. And why am I doing that? Because I am equating the coefficients of x. Because I want to equate the coefficients of x. When I want to equate the coefficients of x, whatever it is there, what is there over here? 4 is there. This needs to be multiplied to equation 1. And what is there over here? 3 is there. That needs to be multiplied with this equation 2. In this way, we can equate coefficients. Okay, so what do I get when I multiply 4 with this equation 1? What do I get? 4 into 3x minus of y. 4 into 3x becomes 12x. 4 into minus y becomes minus 4y, and equals to 23 into 4. How much it becomes? 92. So this becomes our equation 3. After multiplication of 4 to equation 1, we get an equation 12x minus 4y equal to 92, which is equation 3. Now you see there is one more equation somewhere over, okay, one more equation, right? 4x plus 3y is equal to 48, which is equation 2. And how much we need to multiply? We need to multiply 3 to it. When we multiply 3 to it, what we will get? 3 into 4x is how much? 12x. Plus 3 into 3y, how much it will be? 9y, and that is equal to how much? 48 into 3. How much we will get there as? 144. This becomes our equation 4. Now we will subtract equation 4 from 3. See, 12x minus of 4y equal to 92. And what else we are having? 12x plus 9y is equal to 144. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. As we are subtracting equation 4 from 3, you see the first thing will happen is that sign will change. And how the sign will change, you see, this is 12x which is positive, so its sign will change to negative. You see this is what? Plus 9y, it's positive, its sign will change to negative. And what is this one? It's 144 which is plus, so this will be again changed to negative. So see, this plus 12x minus 12x will get cancelled. And what is that now? Minus 4y minus of 9y. How much will we get? This as minus of 13y, and plus 92 and minus 144. How much will we get this one as? Minus 52. So we have minus 13y is equal to minus 52. You see this minus 13 is multiplied to this y. If I take this minus 13 on this side, it will get divided. You see how y is equal to minus 52 whole by minus 13. Minus minus will get cancelled, and 13 4 says 52. So what will get the value as? We'll get the value of y as 4. Once we get the value of y, we will put the value of y in which equation? In equation 1 we will put. In this equation we will put the value of y. You see, we will write equation 1 over here, 3x minus y. You see the equation 3x minus y, but in place of that minus y what I will put? I will put this 4 because we got the value of y as 4. So 3x minus 4 equals to 23. Minus 4 it is there in the LHS. If it goes to the RHS, it will become positive. So 3x is equal to 23 plus 4, which is equal to 27. Now you see 3 and x, they are multiplied to each other. When I take 3 on that side, it get divided with this 27. So how much will I get? X is equal to 27 by 3, which is equal to 9. So therefore I'll get x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 4.